Dames en heren, ik wil een daverend applaus voor de enige echte Helmut Latti! Daar is hij! Even kijken. Kom maar. Ja.
Hallo.
Ja.
Goedenavond.
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 Even de
We
mix.
hebben niks gerepeteerd, we hebben gisteren gewoon even met elkaar gebeld. Ik heb gezegd dat ik graag wou meezingen. En vanmorgen ben ik dan snip verkouden wakker geworden, maar ik ga mijn best doen.
Waar gaan we mee beginnen?
Met die mooie dragen gaan we beginnen.
We beginnen met een rustig. Het is niet ingestudeerd, jongens. Het is echt zo. Lijf de eten in.
Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can tell, falling in love with you. Shall would it be a sin if I can't help falling in love with you? Like rivers flow surely to the sea, I know some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you. I'll like a river flow, yeah, surely to the sea. Darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my
Leuk is dit! Hoe leuk is dit? Oh, geweldig. Ja, jongens.
Fantastische zanger, dames en heren. Ik heb hem gezien op The Voice Senior. Delilah. Geweldig, hè?
Gaat jij dat zeggen?
Ja.
Dankjewel. Doen we er nog één?
Ja, nog eentje, hè? Nog eentje?
Ja, kom op.
We caught in a trap. I can't walk out because I love you too much, baby. Why can't you see what you're doing to me? When you don't believe a word I say. suspicious mind.
Suspicious mind.
We will build our dreams on suspicious mind. So if an old friend I know just by to say hello, would I still see suspicions in your eyes? Here we go again. Ask me where I went. You can see those tears are real, I'm crying. We can go on together with suspicious mind, and we will build our dreams on suspicious mind.
Oh, let our love survive.
I'll dry the tears from your eyes. Let's don't let a good thing die. Oh, no, 'cause honey, you know I never lie to you. Ooh. Yeah, yeah. Been caught in a trap. I can't walk out because I love you too much, baby. We caught in a trap. I can't walk out because I love you too much. We caught in a trap. Whoa. I can't walk out because I love you too much, baby. So what you see, we're caught in a trap. I can't walk out because I love you too much, baby. Oh, we caught in a trap. I can't walk out because I love you too much. Come on. We caught in a trap. I can't walk out because I love you too much, baby.
Helmut Lotti! Woe!
Super band, hè? Echt waar.
Dankjewel, man.
Dank je.
Is toch te gek, jongens. Dankjewel. Helmut, we zien elkaar heel graag weer. Dankjewel voor je komst. Dankjewel. Helmut Lotti!